Hello everyone and welcome back to another topic, and today we are going to see Hello World program, which is a basic program in all other language we will learn. So last time we have seen how to add a script tag. So same thing, I'm using the Visual Studio Code, and here only same thing whatever last time we did you can see here. So, writing a new program, before jumping to the program, I would recommend, if you are using the Visual Studio Code, then you go to the extension. And in the extension, just you need to search for a live server. So, just here put live server, and you should get the first link live servers. For me it is already installed, that's why install button is not coming, but for you install button will come. Once install done, then you can also see in your system something like this. So I'll tell you why it is required. Now I will go to scratch. From scratch everything I will do, so I will just delete these all files. So this is not required. Okay, and I'm going to create the first file, and always guys create a first file with the index.html. Reason is whenever you have uploaded any website in your domain, so domain by default page executable will be index.html. If you are using PHP, then index.php. So it's good to use this. So Visual Studio Code provides you some shortcuts, like when you type HTML, then you can see here, if I press the tab, then this HTMLs will come. Similarly, if I do again HTML, and if first one, second one, if I do third one, then you see by default some predefined templates are there that used to come. And if I am doing a last one, that is for XML purpose. So uh, so we can use this HTML5, and here by default some predefined templates will be there that will automatically come. So I'll just tell one by one what is this. So I feel that you already know about this basics of HTML, where HTML tags will be there, closing tags, head is there, and then body is there. Inside that we write all the HTML part. Meta tag is used for the which type of character is going to render. For that we use charset, and meta viewport, this will be for the all devices. So how the initial scale, how it will take the width of the pages, so that we can define from here only. And title, so this title defines what will be the title of your web page. So just consider I have a JavaScript essential, and I have a h1 tag, welcome to JavaScript essential. So something like this I am just typing here, and now I will show you why I have installed live server. So you can do the right click and you do open with live server. So once you click this, you can see automatically this one server will be running on the port 5500, and you will get the output. So why it requires, so now I'll show you, because whenever you will do any changes, your server will get your browser will get refresh automatically. So this way you can do the development bit faster. So now let's consider I have a simply h3 high. I'm not saving as of now, so let me little bit arrange this so that I can see the output and input both at the same time. Okay, and let me make it little bit top, and I will make little bit big. Okay, so now if I'll save this high, and you can see this high get appeared here. So rather than refreshing, save here, which we did last time, and again reload the page, so you don't need using the live server. Okay, so now today in JavaScript we are going to learn how to do hello world programming. So let's see what are the various ways are there. So first thing again will come, so how we can do inject the script. So we have a script tag, and inside the script tag we can write here code. So we have seen last time console.log, and here I will pass hello world, and I'm done. To see this output, what I need to do, right click, go to the console, and then you need to just go to the console. Here you can see this. Let me do one thing, I will make it bottom, so this top part, and bottom I can see my console. So guys, if you do big one, you are able to see all the things, so you have to go to the console, this part. So now I want to see my output here. So let's see, I will just save this. So you can see here hello world came. Okay, now there is another way hello world you can do using alert. So I can do alert hello and WRLD world. So this is the second way. You see alert also came, downside also came. Okay, but alert is bit powerful here, because when we are using any alert prompt, which I'm going to discuss more, so our interpreter, so whenever it executes from top to bottom, and then our interpreter will get a stop here, and it will not execute the further line. So earlier you saw when alert came, now hello world also was the visible, because this line was on the top. Now I made alert as a top, and let's see whether I'm seeing in the console hello world or not. Let's save now. So you see hello world came, our interpreter just stop here. It is waiting for until unless you are not confirming okay, it will not go to the next line. So after doing it okay, I'm able to see the hello world. So this is the second way you can use. And another way also you can use, see you have already writing here, but I want dynamically something need to be appended into the our body. So for that we use document.write, and here we can use hello world, and just save this. You can see in the top hello world came. Okay, here one more thing I will tell. The same thing we can do through the file also, external file. So how we can do, which we have seen the last time. So I'll just cut this part. I can do script src, and let's see, my file name is app.js. Okay, and I'll go to here. I will create one file called app.js. I have already embedded that. Now I'll go to the app.js, and here I will paste the same thing. I'm just removing script part, because when you are in the JS file, script doesn't require. And now one by one I will just enable everything, and let's see what I'm getting the output. Let me save this part also. So you can see hello world, because first part is hello world. Until unless this is not pressed okay, it will not move to the next line. So okay, now hello world all came. So okay, and one more thing I will just add here. Suppose you want to add any style. I'm considering like you know how to add the CSS file also, but still just for basic purpose, link href, and here we need to give the href is a style. Let me do one thing. So I can do link link. If you press link, and you can just use this shortcut also. So here you can see href is the path. So by default they told as a style.css. So what I will do, I'll just create one more style.css, and here I'm going to write what, body, sorry, I need to write body, and then background, and I'm going to write f3, and then I have a h1 here. So for this h1 I will do h1, I can add some color. So has f3f sorry, color equal to s3f, and then this, see, it became pink. Now I will do what? I will just save all. So if I'm saving all, just save this and okay. Now it, see, background got changed and this become as a pink color. So you can add your style sheet here using link tag and you are done. So from the hello program only this much, guys, and next we will see editor options. So various editor options I'm going to discuss in the next one. Thank you.